Hey guys, this is Rome with Rome Knows Tech. I just wanted to take a moment to show you guys a very simple way to replace the filament on your Ankermake M5. Now I see a lot of videos online about how to do this, and maybe some of it's confusing because a lot of those videos are very old and people didn't really understand how this device worked at the time, but there's a very simple way to do it. So let's get right to it. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to Extrude, and we want to retract the filament. So it's going to take a few seconds for this to heat up, and then once it does, we'll be able to move So I think this is high enough. All right, so let's give it a few seconds. And as you see, it comes out really simply after retracting it. So this is the original filament that came with the M5. So I'm going to be adding some new filament here, and we're just going to set this up at the same time. You're going to need your clippers, and pretty much that's it. Whenever you open a bag of filament, always keep these because it can help keep your other ones dry. All right, so I'm just going to hang this right here. I'm going to clip this at about 45 degrees, like so. And then I'm going to start feeding it through until I can feel it make contact. And you can see it going through the cord. So I just got to the point where it stopped. So I'm going to press this little lever down right here, push it through a little bit further. Until it stops again. So I'm just setting it to go up at 10 millimeters. Okay, so we're good there. So now what I want to do is extrude. And you may have to do this a couple of times. So what I'm going to go do is just change the amount. I'm going to set it to 100 millimeters just to make it easier on myself. And I'm going to hit extrude. And as you guys can see, this is the new filament. So success. So hopefully guys, this video has been helpful to speed up the process so it doesn't seem so confusing, because like I said, I've seen a lot of videos out there that just makes this look so difficult when in actuality this is a very simple process. All right guys, it's been Rome with Rome Knows Tech, and I will catch you all in the next video.